Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis needs little introduction in the world of cryptocurrency. As the founder and head of technology of PiNetwork, his vision has captivated millions. Dr. Kokkalis holds a PhD in electrical engineering and a postdoc in computer science from Stanford University. His expertise in distributed systems and human-computer interaction is evident in Pi's unique approach. Dr. Kokkalis firmly believes in the power of cryptocurrency to empower individuals. He envisions a world where access to digital currencies is democratized, breaking down traditional financial barriers. Dr. Kokkalis's journey began with a simple question: how can we make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone? Traditional cryptocurrencies often require significant technical knowledge and financial investment. This limits participation and creates a barrier to entry for many. Dr. Kokkalis sought to change this, and thus, PiNetwork was born. PiNetwork's core mission is to build a user-friendly cryptocurrency platform that anyone can join, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. This vision has resonated with millions globally, who are now actively participating in the PiNetwork ecosystem. Dr. Kokkalis's commitment to inclusivity and accessibility has positioned PiNetwork as a potential game-changer in the world of cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency world eagerly awaits Consensus 2025, a landmark event that has become synonymous with innovation and progress in the blockchain space. And PiNetwork is set to make a significant impact. This year, the anticipation is even higher as PiNetwork steps into the spotlight. This year, PiNetwork will be a prominent sponsor of the event, marking a milestone in its journey towards mainstream recognition. The event will take place from May 14th to 16th at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre, a venue known for hosting some of the most significant events in the tech world. Consensus, organized by CoinDesk, is renowned as one of the most influential cryptocurrency and blockchain conferences globally. It serves as a melting pot for ideas, innovations, and collaborations. It attracts industry leaders, innovators, and enthusiasts from around the world, all eager to share their insights and learn from one another. Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis himself will be gracing the stage at Consensus 2025, bringing with him a wealth of knowledge and a vision for the future of PiNetwork. He will be sharing his insights and vision for the future of PiNetwork, a topic that has garnered much interest and speculation. His presence alongside other prominent figures like Eric Trump and Robert Hines highlights PiNetwork's growing influence and recognition within the cryptocurrency space. Their discussions are expected to cover a range of topics from technological advancements to regulatory challenges. This year's Consensus is expected to be a pivotal moment for PiNetwork. The event is not just a gathering, it's a convergence of minds that could shape the future of blockchain technology. The event provides a platform for PiNetwork to engage with a wider audience, offering a unique opportunity to connect with potential partners, investors, and users, showcasing its recent developments and future roadmap. Attendees will get a first-hand look at the innovations that PiNetwork has been working on. Dr. Kokkalis's presentation is highly anticipated, with many expecting key announcements and updates that could significantly impact Pi's trajectory. His insights could provide a clearer picture of where PiNetwork is headed, with many expecting key announcements and updates that could significantly impact Pi's trajectory. The excitement is palpable as the community looks forward to these revelations. Consensus 2025 is not just an event, it's a statement. It represents the collective ambition and drive of the blockchain community to push the boundaries of what's possible. PiNetwork's sponsorship and participation demonstrate its commitment to transparency and engagement with the broader cryptocurrency community. This involvement underscores its dedication to fostering an open and inclusive ecosystem. It's an opportunity for PiNetwork to solidify its position as a major player in the blockchain revolution. The event will undoubtedly be a defining moment in PiNetwork's journey, setting the stage for future successes and milestones. PiNetwork has been buzzing with activity, capturing the attention of both seasoned crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. This vibrant ecosystem is not just a fleeting trend, but a robust platform that is continuously evolving. Marked by significant developments that are shaping its ecosystem, PiNetwork is setting new standards in the blockchain space. The collaborative efforts of developers and the community are driving this transformation. The launch of the Open Network on February 20th, 2025, marked a crucial milestone. This event was celebrated across the community, symbolizing a new era of possibilities and growth for the PiNetwork. This transition allowed for greater interaction with the Pi network, enabling developers to build and deploy applications that leverage the Pi blockchain. The open network has become a playground for innovation, where ideas are transformed into reality. The Pi ecosystem has been steadily growing, with the Pi browser, Pi wallet, and a suite of mainnet applications now available. These tools are not just functional but are designed with the user experience in mind, making it easier for everyone to engage with the network. The suite of mainnet applications offers a range of services that cater to different needs, from financial transactions to social interactions. This comprehensive approach ensures that users have everything they need at their fingertips. These tools are designed to empower users, providing them with greater control over their Pi holdings and access to a growing range of services. The emphasis is on user empowerment and decentralization, core principles of the Pi network. The recent Banksa KYB approval further expands Pi's reach, enabling Pi coin sales in 100 countries and streamlining the process for users to verify their identities. This regulatory milestone is a testament to PiNetwork's commitment to compliance and user security. The mainnet wallet activation has also generated considerable excitement within the community. This feature allows users to fully utilize their Pi coins, making transactions more seamless and secure. This development allows pioneers, as PiNetwork users are known, to take greater ownership of their Pi, transferring it to their mainnet wallets and participating in the network's governance. This participatory model is a cornerstone of the Pi network, fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility. The Pi network team has been actively refining the platform with a recent mining rate increase to 0.0030 as of May 3, 2025. This adjustment reflects the network's dynamic nature and its commitment to rewarding active participants. This demonstrates their commitment to rewarding early adopters and incentivizing ongoing participation. The Pi network values its community and continuously seeks ways to enhance user engagement and satisfaction. The developments within the Pi network ecosystem highlight its rapid evolution from a concept to a functional and expanding platform. This journey is a testament to the vision and hard work of the Pi network team and its community. The team's dedication to building a comprehensive and user-friendly experience is evident in the consistent rollout of new features and improvements. As the Pi network continues to grow, it remains committed to its mission of creating a decentralized, inclusive, and user-centric blockchain ecosystem. The Pi network community is a vibrant mix of enthusiasm, speculation, and debate. This unique blend of emotions and perspectives is what makes the Pi network so fascinating to observe and be a part of. From the early adopters who saw potential in the project, to the new members who are just beginning to explore its possibilities, the community is a melting pot of ideas and aspirations. Recent events have sparked a range of reactions, reflecting the high expectations and passionate engagement surrounding Pi. News updates, market fluctuations, and community announcements often lead to a flurry of activity, with members eagerly sharing their thoughts and predictions. This dynamic environment keeps the community on its toes, always ready for the next big development. On platforms like Binance Square, users have shared their experiences, with some reporting significant gains from their Pi holdings. These success stories are not just about financial gains. They also highlight the sense of achievement and validation that comes from being part of a pioneering project. For many, these gains are a testament to their belief in the potential of PiNetwork. These success stories fuel optimism and reinforce belief in Pi's potential. They serve as powerful motivators for the community, encouraging more people to join and participate. The stories of financial success are often shared widely, creating a ripple effect that attracts even more interest and investment in the network. However, the Pi network journey hasn't been without its bumps. Like any ambitious project, it has faced its share of challenges and setbacks. These issues have sometimes led to frustration and disappointment among users who had hoped for smoother progress and quicker results. Some users have voiced concerns and accusations, ranging from allegations of fraud to complaints about coin lockup periods. These concerns are often amplified on social media, where users can quickly share their grievances and find others who feel the same way. The transparency and openness of the community mean that these issues are discussed openly, sometimes leading to heated debates. These negative sentiments often stem from frustration with the pace of development or skepticism towards PiCoin's value. The slow pace of certain developments can be a source of anxiety for those who are eager to see immediate results. Additionally, skepticism about the long-term value of PiCoin can lead to doubts and concerns about the project's viability. Key contentions within the community revolve around coin accessibility, with some alleging restrictions on selling or transferring Pi. These restrictions can be frustrating for users who want more flexibility in managing their holdings. The debate over coin accessibility is a significant point of contention, with strong opinions on both sides. Others express disappointment with the coin's market performance, hoping for more significant price gains. The volatility of the cryptocurrency market means that expectations are often high, and when those expectations are not met, it can lead to disappointment and disillusionment. The public image of PiNetwork remains polarized, with passionate advocates defending its legitimacy and potential, while critics question its long-term viability. This polarization is a common feature of many innovative projects where the promise of something new and different can lead to both strong support and equally strong skepticism. Despite the controversies, the PiNetwork community remains deeply engaged, actively participating in discussions, sharing updates, and contributing to the platform's evolution. This level of engagement is a testament to the community's dedication and belief in the project's potential. The active participation of users helps drive the project forward, even in the face of challenges. This passionate community, with all its diverse opinions, is a testament to the intrigue and potential that PiNetwork represents. The diversity of thought and the willingness to engage in meaningful discussions are what make the PiNetwork community unique and vibrant. It is this collective energy and enthusiasm that will continue to shape the future of the PiNetwork.